Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to find working coupon codes for Costco app. So make sure you watch till the very end because I'm going to tell you the name of a bunch of websites that provide their working coupon codes. So the first one we have is Honey. Now Honey is honestly the best one for any website. So I recommend you obviously check out Honey. And then next up we have Retail Me Not. They also provide like their coupon Costco codes. You just need to sign in and make a new account. The next one is Groupon.com. Now this is a customer favorite, so you should definitely check it out. Next up we have couponfollow.com/slide/costco.com. Also, you don't need to put in the entire URL. You can just head over into Google and search in coupon follow Costco coupon codes and the first website link will come up. And then we have coupons.cnet.com. They also provide the Costco codes. Next we have Simply Codes, and then we have coupons.slickdeals.net. And then last but not the least, we have SFGate, who also provide a bunch of coupon codes. And there you go. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And I'll see you guys in the next one.